The celiac trunk is a major blood vessel that supplies blood to the foregut of the gastrointestinal system. We will now discuss the anatomy of the celiac trunk. Please note that these are schematic diagrams made purely for your understanding. The celiac trunk arises from the anterior aspect of the abdominal aorta. It arises at the level of T12. There are three major branches of the celiac trunk. The first branch is the splenic artery. The splenic artery has a very tortuous pathway. It will eventually reach and supply blood to the spleen. The splenic artery also has another branch that goes towards the stomach. These arteries supply blood to the middle and upper aspects of the greater curvature of the stomach. This artery is the left gastroepiploic artery. There are also branches of the left gastroepiploic artery called the short gastric arteries. These supply blood to the fundus of the stomach. The splenic artery also supplies the pancreas. These are through splenic branches. The next branch of the celiac trunk is the left gastric artery. The left gastric artery supplies the upper aspects of the lesser curvature of the stomach. The last branch of the celiac trunk is the common hepatic artery. The common hepatic artery arises from the right side of the celiac trunk. This artery will give a branch called the gastroduodenal artery. This artery will have two further branches. One of the branches is called the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery. This artery will supply blood to the duodenum and the pancreas. The gastroduodenal artery will have another branch. This branch will anastomose with the left gastroepiploic artery. This artery is called the right gastroepiploic artery, and it will supply blood to the lower aspects of the greater curvature of the stomach. The common hepatic artery will now be called the proper hepatic artery. The proper hepatic artery gives a branch which will anastomose with the left gastric artery. This artery is called the right gastric artery, and it will supply blood to the lower aspects of the lesser curvature of the stomach. The proper hepatic artery will supply blood to the liver. It will split into the left hepatic artery and the right hepatic artery. The right hepatic artery will also give another branch which will supply blood to the gallbladder. This artery is called the cystic artery, and that is the celiac trunk.